Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iMagesi FC, yabo. So njengoba bayodlala nje against iMagesi FC, imagine iMagesi yagcina nini ukudlala kuBetway Premiership. Imagine iMagesi yagcina nini ukudlala kwiBetway Premiership. iMagesi yagcina ukudlala kwiBetway Premiership ngomhla ka3 December. Ngoba nje yagcina ukudlala ngomhla ka3 December kwiBetway Premiership. Le team le isireste enough, isireste isikhathi eside, sebehlala isikhathi eside ngempela bengadlali because bebengekho even kuma tournaments lawa adedlalo ko calling knockout bese bephumile kuma calling fixtures. So kuzoba nzinyana for Orlando Pirates ukuthi prepare for lo mdlalo lo. But ke ngizokhuluma ngezinto Orlando Pirates engimele iqaphele kule game le, ekumele futhi izenze in order to beat a team like iMagesi FC. We all know ukuthi iMagesi FC is stubborn kanjani. We all know ukuthi iMagesi FC ayifuni ukudliwa kalula. But ke uma ukwazi ukuyithinta lapho nalapho izovuma ukuthi idleke, yabo. They have a very good goalkeeper okubani okuchipezeze okwaziyo ukuvimba ama short stoppers. Goalkeeper nje oyi short stopper okwaziyo ukuvimbela amabhola, yabo. So engakusho ngeMagesi, iMagesi imidlala away they tend to concede ama goals amaningi, yabo. Each and every game they play away sebe concede ama goal amaningi kakhulu, abakwazi ukudefenda mebedlala away. It's one of their weaknesses. Bahlezi bezodliwa mebezodlala away. And i-team njenge Orlando Pirates eyifuna ngempela iwin, basengakwazi ukuthi bayihlule le team le njenge Magesi. Basengakwazi ukuthi bayihlule ngescore esikhulu, okuyinto Orlando Pirates ekumele i-prioritize kakhulu kule game le, because le game le izokwazi ukuthi determine ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyasithola yini strength sokuthi siphushe i-team njenge Mamelodi Sundowns, siphushe even iKaizer Chiefs, because nayo iKaizer Chiefs ikhona la kule conversation of a title race. So they need a lot of goals in order to maintain their standard, in order to keep their record as the number one. Because if they win ngamagoli amaningi kule game le, bazokwazi bawu number one, bakwazi ukuthi iSundowns bayehlisa ibu number 2. So engizokusho nje, iMagesi FC Orlando Pirates kumele ihambe iye kule game yazi ekhanda ukuthi iMagesi iyohlala at the back. Same match against iSikhukhune. It is the same thing esoyithola kwiMagesi. Into esiyithole kwiSikhukhune, it's the same thing esoyithola kwiMagesi, yabo. So ucoach angimele lokwenza izinto eziningi, uyazi uyodlala neteam ezohlala emuva kakhulu. iMagesi njengoba idlala away ngeke attack kakhulu. As in Orlando Pirates odlala home, you have your own fans to support you. So as a coach against the team like iMagesi, kumele ufake ama attacking players, yabo. Kumele ufake ama attacking players. So into engizoyisho mina, iMagesi FC idefenda kakhulu, but ke into eyi1 esizokwazi ukuthi siyibreak ngakhona defense yabo ukudlala ngabadlala abadlala wide, yabo. Yabona ke once sakwazi ukudlala wide, abadlala wide ama wingers wethi wona oswinela le game le. Why ngisho njalo? Uma sizodlala more centrally against iMagesi FC sizohluleka ukuba break down, because they tend to sit at the back. Each and every shot esoyishaya izovinjwa idefense yabo, okanye ivinjwe ugoalkeeper wabo okwaziyo ukuvimba ama short stoppers, yabo. So kumele sazi ukuthi sodlalisa ama wingers abajida bazoqhamuka kuma side. Ngala ngingabeka uMoremi, ngala ngibeke bani Osuna Police, abadlala bazokwazi ukuthi bashoshele baye phambili, banikeze inkinga iMagesi FC. Mase uinstilla ama wing backs futhi azokwazi ukuthi ayiphushe iMagesi, yabo. The more you push iMagesi, the more they create ama mistakes at the back, the more uthola i-upper hand against a team like iMagesi. Ilapho kuzokwazi ukuthi ubashaye khona. Kumele Orlando Pirates ilibambe ibhola, yabo. Siyakwazi ke lokho Orlando Pirates i-good kakhulu ilibambeni ibhola, yabo. Mulibamba moya ibhola uzoshesha uyikhathaze iMagesi FC, because bazoleke belijaha nje ibhola, and kumele ubadrawe out of their position, out of the backline. Mase ubadrawe out, you use your wingers. You use the wingers to infiltrate i-defense. Sengwabona kakhulu ama games eMagesi FC baconsider kakhulu kuma set piece, yabo. Njengoba beconsider nje kakhulu kuma set piece, so kumele sisebenzise ama crosses amaningi against iMagesi FC. Kumele sazi ukuthi okay, sizoba nomdlali lapha ophambili oyi striker okwazi ukusebenzisa ikhanda. When you look at a player like ubani Andre de Jong, he's very good on his head. When you look at a player like uYanela Mbuthuma, he's very good on his head. Akwazi ukuthi athola ama crosses abajida bakwazi ukwaheader angene nethini. Abantu abanje bayisiza team iwine ngamagoli amaningi against iMagesi FC, yabo. So sengingezwe ngawe kuna ungayidlalisa kanjani Orlando Pirates against iMagesi FC, but mina ngokwami I think le ndlela le iyona into esizokwazi ukuthi siyishaye iMagesi FC, singayizeli ngomqondo ukuthi undermine. No, undermine Magis. Once you undermine these type of games, that is where you drop points in a Betway Premiership. Yabo, we mustn't put our best 11 against Magesi FC when we are playing a Carling knockout match. No, you mustn't do that. Yabo. So when you are playing a league match, you are not filling your best 11. You are undermining a team like Imakesi. No, you need the 3 points against a team like this, because these are the games you must win in order to win the league. These are the type of games you need to win in order to win the league. If you fail to win these type of games, you won't manage to win the big games, because when you are playing in the big games, it's either you win or lose. And if you win those games, it doesn't guarantee you to win a league. These are the type of games that you need to win your Magesi FC. Orlando Pirates kumele isebenzise home advantage kule game le. Yabo, izobe sold out. I know for a fact ukuthi izobe sold out. Bazobe bezovula i-stadium esisha, i-arena entsha, ngilungise lapho. Orlando Pirates phela isipartnership with Amstel. Yabo, so kumele bayiwine le game. It's a must win in the books for Orlando Pirates. Abdul Salam Wadu angalenzi nje iphutha, because if we don't manage to win this game, I don't think it's possible for Orlando Pirates to challenge for a league, and it will be very, very poor from the coach, because he was given a very, very good side to challenge for a league. Yabo. But again, let's hope the players, they know what is at stake against the Magesi FC. Not every game is a small game. This is a big game in the books. This is a very big game. Because once ubheke uFebruary wethu ugcwele ama games amaningi a serious. Yabo, February wethu nje ugcwele ama games amaningi a serious. Le nyanga lemele siyivale ngale game le, siyivale nje kahle on a high note. Sazi ukuthi ngoFebruary siyobhekana neMamelodi Sundowns, mase sibhekana neKaizer Chiefs. Siyobhekana neSundowns, mase sibhekane neKaizer Chiefs. In between there will be a Marumo Gallants side edlalayo nayo. Yabo, edlalayo nayo. So mele sazi ukuthi okay, it's either siyobhekana neKaizer or iSundowns. Mele sibuye no 6 points lapho. Yabo, kumele nje kubuye u6 points, or ayikho phela into esoyidlalela. In order to win the league, you have to prove and win those games. You have to win those games. Hey, you have to win those games. Sundowns and iKaizer Chiefs, Soweto derby and iGauteng derby. But again, i-lineup prediction ngizoyishaya kusasa. I will do a video tomorrow explaining how I would line up against the team like iMagesi. So I don't think mina ngokwami I would put abadlali aba-defensive kakhulu against iMagesi, because I know vele bazohlala emuva kakhulu. So you need to have players who are very, very influential in the field of play. Have players abakwazi ukuthi ba-connect, have players who are very, very attacking minded, no, not defensive players against the team like iMagesi FC. Yabo, wena ungangitshela ngokwakho, how would you line up against the team like iMagesi playing home as Orlando Pirates?